Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to add a Mastercard gift card to your wallet. Whether you're using Apple Wallet, Google Wallet, or another digital wallet, this quick guide will have you set up in no time. Let's get started. First off, why bother adding your gift card to a digital wallet? It's all about convenience. You can use it for contactless payments, online shopping, or even splitting bills without fumbling for physical cards. But before we jump in, make sure your Mastercard gift card is activated and has a balance. You can usually do this via the issuer's website or app. Step 1. Open your digital wallet app on your smartphone. For iPhone users, that's the Wallet app. Android folks might use Google Wallet. Look for an Add button or a plus sign. It's your gateway to new cards. Step 2. Select the option to add a new card. Choose Debit or Credit Card from the menu that pops up. Step 3. Enter the card details carefully. You'll need the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV code on the back. Double-check for accuracy to avoid any errors. Step 4. Some wallets require verification. This might involve a small test transaction or entering a code sent via text or email. Follow the prompts to complete this step. It ensures security. Step 5. Once verified, your card should appear in your wallet. You can even set it as your default payment method for quick use. And there you have it. You're now ready to use your Mastercard gift card effortlessly. Keep in mind, not all gift cards work with every wallet, so if you hit a snag, contact your card issuer for help. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tutorials. See you next time.